So this on 22nd November 2022. So this is an update on Bitcoin. And I don't know if you guys have been following on what is happening on crypto world, especially the FTX story. Uh, so if you have been following this story keenly, the the guy, the SBF, Sam Pride Bankman, what he actually had in his wallet, they were FTT tokens. They were not actual bitcoins. Yeah, that's why when Binance wanted to buy FTX, and they did an audit of their books. No, they found out that the books were filled with FTT tokens. They were not actual bitcoins. So what I'm trying to say is that I came across an article which was suggesting that the commitment of traders report. This is the commitment of traders report, the latest. Of course, it's on the CTFC website, and the author of that article was arguing that there is no way that the CTFC can be able to control the trading of Bitcoin. And so these numbers that the CTFC reports here, it's like this Bitcoin that has been bought on paper. And now, when it's bought, you're given like a certificate. Yeah, it's not an actual Bitcoin, and these are the numbers that they are recorded here. How the concluded by adding that the whole point of crypto world is to be decentralized. So there is no way that we can actually tell the market sentiment of a decentralized currency through a centralized regulator. I don't know if it makes sense. So I don't think that these figures represent the actual what is going on in the crypto world. But technically, no, let's look at the charts technically. So this was a zone that everyone was anticipating that it would hold. So clearly, we've broken out the downside, and as long as the dollar remains bullish, then for the crypto, we have a lot of room on the downside. So we'll be focusing on the technicals, the market sentiment, uh, We can only rely on CTFC to give us market sentiment for currencies and stocks, because those are. So on Bitcoin, on the faster time frames, I think price is almost breaking out now, and now on breakout, there's going to be a price waterfall. Of course, if the DXY is heading to 120, Bitcoin. So on the slower time frames, on the faster time frames, you can wait for this breakout before selling. Yeah, sell Bitcoin. Stop loss above this price zone. Let this price zone provide a barrier for you. Okay. So stop loss around 18,600 can sell and wait for the big drop. Drop to where? I think we're going to. I think we have a lot of room on the downside. Okay. Remember, anything is possible. If there were traders who are watching the US oil and the UK oil around March, April 2020. There was a time actually it went to the negative. Where is the chart? So the crude oil, so this is the crude oil chart around here. So the price actually went to negative. It's not actually shown, but there was a time when oil. You can imagine oil. The suppliers, no, the suppliers in the US, they were paying people to take it away because it was worthless. Okay, it around April 2020, and from then, no, we saw it rising slowly, slowly, slowly up to almost 140 per barrel. One, no, 120, 126. Okay, so I think it's we cannot say that Bitcoin cannot go to 5,000 or 3,000. If oil could go to negative, where is Bitcoin? So there is a lot of room. Of course, after the breakout, after the breakout, and as the DXY pushes higher, you can expect Bitcoin even at these lows here, 3,000. It's possible, very possible, because here are my reasons. The crypto world is currently in a mess, and there are no investors who feel that it's safe to invest in Bitcoin, not unless now there are regulations that are going to come up after this mess, and maybe the central banks will start adopting crypto. But before then, the current the latest events, they just they just they just show how fragile this crypto is. Yeah? So for the Bitcoin, anything is possible. So we are going down. You can sell. Okay. Same case for Ethereum. On the faster time frames, wait for the breakout. So there's the price zone. So wait for the breakout. Uh, Stop loss above the price congestion zone. Okay. Uh, and you can wait for Ethereum at the previous lows. Okay. Maybe even 200 or $100. So for the crypto, eventually, eventually the crypto will rise. Okay? The market it will not after some few weeks after one more leg down and after a few weeks of consolidation, then we can now buy crypto, and it will be a second now it will be a second opportunity for those who missed the first bull run from March 2020. Okay, from when crypto was 3,000. Okay, from March 2020 up to April 2021. So for this 1 year, uh, be prepared to buy and hold for at least 1 year when the time comes. But until then, uh, you can wait. But if you are an aggressive trader, you can short the market. Okay, as long as you have a stop loss and you know where the dollar is headed. Okay, as long as you know where the dollar is headed, all the other decisions will you will make. They will. The probability of being correct will be high. So for me, I'll be waiting for Bitcoin around 3,000, okay, to buy for the long term. But if you are aggressive or you're a scalper and you don't want to wait or you don't hold for long, you can short. Okay. So for the commitment of traders report, I think the best way to use it is by using the other using it to analyze the currencies and you know stocks. But for crypto, the whole point of the crypto is to be decentralized. So there is no way we can track crypto. It's untrackable. Okay, so we'll just focus on the technicals, and when the point when the time comes for buying, I'll be updating. I'll be updating the charts.